I started my career as a litigator in a law firm, and I just instinctively knew it didn't fit for me. So I made a transition. I started working as a transactional lawyer, which is drafting and negotiating contracts. And that's what I do now at the University of New Mexico. And actually, it was one of the hardest lessons I ever learned, staying true to myself, understanding that I wasn't cut out for litigation and being willing to make a change into transactional work. It's something I would advise people just starting out in their careers, that if you're not in the right place, make a change. The best decision I ever made was leaving Silicon Valley in 1996. I had been working really hard at Sun, but I wasn't entirely happy. My work-life balance was really out of balance. And I decided to quit my job and sell my house and move to Taos, New Mexico. And when I was in Taos, I did a lot of nothing. I spent time staring at the mountain and learned Qigong, and I wrote a novel and did a lot of traveling. And even though I took myself out of the game for 3 years, I think it was one of the most valuable and productive times in my life. I give back to the community primarily by teaching and mentoring. I'm a mentor for the State Bar's Bridge the Gap program, so I work with new lawyers. I've been teaching at UNM, lecturing to engineering students, business students, law students, and I've written a book on negotiation. I teach negotiation, and that's how I give back to the community.